Testfully offers a feature called configs. This feature allows you to store reusable values and include them in your test cases. If we look at one of the examples that I have here, we have a test case with 2 steps, and each of the steps are sending a request to the Rick and Morty API. What I want to do, I want to get rid of this hard-coded value and use it from the config. So I can just copy this value here, come to the config section, and define a new variable. So I could name it BaseUrl. This is a string value, and this is my default value for it. So that's being stored. I can come back to my test. In the URL section, I want to remove this one now and type @ and you can select in one of the options. So BaseUrl is the option that is here. You can go further and include your config value in your header values. For example, I can come here and type @ again if I want to. You can also do it in the payload as well as the validations. Let's go to the second step. I want to fix this one as well. So I will select it, remove it, and type @ and then BaseUrl. So anytime that you want to include the config value, you can just type @ and select your config value from there. So I will go ahead and save this one and run my test case again. I expect to get the same response here. As you can see, the URL is still same, but this time it is loading it from the config value.